Most YouTube automation channels never make it past 6 months. Not because the creators lack ambition, but because the systems they build are broken from day one. If you've been thinking of starting your own faceless channel, stop for a second. Let me show you why most fail and how you can be the exception. The first mistake is lack of clarity. Too many creators chase trends instead of building authority. One day it's crypto, the next day it's cooking. Viewers don't know what to expect, and neither does the algorithm. Without clarity, your channel becomes invisible. The fix? Pick a niche where value compounds. Commit to a theme. Build playlists around problems people actually search for. A clear focus is not a limitation, it's the foundation of growth. Second reason, no scalable editing system. Creators think they can edit every video alone, forever. Burnout hits, quality drops, and uploads slow down. The YouTube algorithm rewards consistency. That means you need workflows, scripts, templates, brand kits, and an editing team. A system that allows you to publish even when you're busy, tired, or stuck. Third mistake, weak branding. Your video could have the best information, but if the thumbnail looks cheap or your channel lacks identity, no one clicks. Branding is trust at first glance. Fonts, colors, and design consistency tell viewers, this is professional, this is worth my time. Without branding, you look like every other faceless channel that disappears after 10 uploads. And here's the twist. You're not just watching a YouTube video, you're experiencing a system. This script was structured, visuals were planned, branding was applied, and the editing pipeline is clean. Exactly the kind of system that keeps channels alive while others fail. Recent studies show 48% of creators are burnt out, not because YouTube doesn't work, but because they approach it with chaos. Random uploads, messy editing, zero clarity. The system breaks them. What if instead of fighting chaos, you built something sustainable? That's why we built Digital Aura, to help creators, coaches, and brands skip the chaos. We design systems, end-to-end YouTube automation, professional design, and ready-to-sell digital products. The same things we've shown here but done for you. So instead of burning out, you scale. 90% of channels fail because they don't build systems. The 10% that succeed, they treat YouTube like a business. If you're ready to be in the 10%, visit Digital Aura. Let's build your system. And if you want a complete breakdown of YouTube automation, watch our full guide. The link is in the description. Inside, you'll get detailed guidance with step-by-step strategies.